Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here today with a layout for you with the Allison Pennington Creative Team, working with a adorable little spring themed collection called Petit Fours. This one is great for your tea time stories, and I'm using it here to document photos of there are two cabinets in our dining room that I have stocked with our dishes and dinnerware and teapots and mugs. And so I wanted to create this fun, really pretty feminine layout about these cabinets and how much I love having them. And so what I've started with here is the background with 4 pattern papers layered on top of each other. I added the lace and the digital pom-pom fringe and the doilies and those adorable little banners at the top, adding the little drop shadows so that they have a little bit of dimension even when printed flat. And then I will share the physical products that I have printed and also my photos, and you'll get to see those elements. In my last video, I talked a little bit about speaking out right now and how that is our power and that is what we need to be doing. And I talked a little bit about how for some of us that takes healing to be able to do that confidently. And I'm sure that some of you have questions about, well, where do we speak? Where do we have these conversations? And I think it's important to have these conversations right here in our community. I happen to make videos, and so I'm going to be talking about this for a while, talking about the situation that America is in, fighting for democracy, and that's literally what is at risk here: democracy, safety, global peace, some sort of ceasefire, no more bombing, healthcare for people, education for people, changing the world as it is right now, and especially changing the influence that America has around the globe. And this is exactly where we talk about this, because the more that people galvanize around this issue, and the more that people talk about it, and the more that people, it's true that you're not going to change people's minds. People who are deeply entrenched to the far fringes are not going to just automatically move towards our goal. But the people who are not sure and people who don't have the confidence to speak quite yet are gaining the confidence to speak and are seeing that when they speak out, they're not going to be alone, and they're going to have friends that surround them and that share their ideas and their goals as well. That's what we're here to do. I encourage you, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.